Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. So today's video is an urgent message. It's almost like, you know, when you're on your phone and you get one of those, updates where somebody's on the loose, you know, they do the license plate number, all that stuff. I don't know what that's called, but you know what I'm talking about. This is one of those. So Sunday was a chaotic night for Uber and Lyft at San Francisco Airport. They changed all the location, all the pickup zones at the airport, which, if you don't know anything about airports, there are very specific pickup locations. You can't just pick up your passenger in the terminal. Even if they say, hey, you know, I'm at terminal 13B, whatever, Southwest, you have to be like, sorry, I have to pick you up the pickup location. There's usually a few different ones depending on, you know, the closest to the driver's spot or the passenger's spot. But it is very specific. So I'm gonna go over all of the updates, basically show you guys what's going on. If you do go to the airport, you wanna watch this video, even if it's not in San Francisco, but if you are in San Francisco, please stay tuned throughout the entire video. Before I get into all that, leave the video a thumbs up. It does help me a ton. Just takes one simple click or one simple tap of your finger, and please, it helps me so much. I can't express it. If you can start leaving my videos thumbs up, please, that's all I ask. No, you don't need to buy my shirts, don't need to buy my course. Just tap the thumbs up button really quick. All right, here we go. Let's get this show on the road. Sunday was a chaotic night for Uber, Lyft at SFO. So today is Monday, that was last night. Drivers, passengers stymied, that's a great word, guys, by new pickup zones Sunday night. Let's look through some photos. Wow, great photos. Thank you. Wow, some incredible journalism right here, guys. Guys, wow, that passenger's stymied right there. All jokes aside, frustration boiled over at, this is basically Rideshare drivers face a single lane bottleneck when entering new pickup zone. That is not good. Oh, as you can see here, single lane bottleneck, that is not good. Frustration boiled over at San Francisco International Airport's newly expanded domestic rideshare pickup area Sunday evening when Uber and Lyft passengers said they faced excruciating long waits, canceled trips, and trouble finding their cars. Oh no, the passengers had to wait for their driver? Oh no, excruciatingly long 5-minute waits for the passengers. Just kidding, I don't know how long it was. I wasn't there, but I guess a lot of passengers were upset, canceled trips, and couldn't find their cars. Which, I don't know how you can't find the car because shows it in the app and you can call your driver and figure out. But not a lot of people have patience these days, especially in San Francisco. So I assume they just ordered the ride, the driver wasn't there, and they canceled because, you know, people get upset. Drivers were exasperated. Many complained about a horrendous traffic jam leading into the new zone, located on the 5th level of the domestic central garage. Infrequent drivers to SFO complained about getting lost because of confusing driving instructions and having to circle around the airport several times, leaving their customers bewildered. Wow, who is this? Chris McGinnis. He is a great author. I mean, he's just using some words I haven't even heard of. The driver just circles around the map and I don't know what he's doing, said Abel Gutierrez of San Francisco, who was glued to his phone. Absolutely glued to his phone. Who isn't glued to his phone these days? Waiting for his Uber ride to show up. Since he didn't make the correct way at first, he had to go back on the highway and turn around. Oh no! He's not gonna survive, guys. Gutierrez, who came in from Chicago, finally hopped on a ride to the city 45 minutes. 45 minutes, guys. Oh my gosh, that's almost as long as a taxi. His first driver canceled on him, so he opted to hop into an Uber pool ride in hopes of a faster trip out of the airport. Well, Uber Pool's not going to get you there faster, I can guarantee you that. For other Uber and Lyft customers, wait times to get into their cars ran as long as an hour on. Many gave up opting to use BART or find it. No, you had to use a taxi? Oh my gosh, guys. What does our world come to when passengers have to opt in for taxis? Or, in the worst case scenario, use public transportation? Oh my gosh, that is insane. Gutierrez, Sunday evenings are traditionally one of the busiest times for rideshare pickups at SFO. And last night was the first major test whether the zone can cope with the capacity of hundreds of ordering cars, blah, 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 blah. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at, that looks, let's get some nice milk or some nice yogurt. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. If you do drive at an airport, make sure you know the pickup locations. And if you drive at San Francisco, Don't drive there on a Sunday night. You're gonna get into a bottleneck traffic jam. But in all seriousness, guys, make sure you do know the airport pickup procedures. You do need to have a placard at a lot of airports, especially LAX, San Francisco, or any of the other major airports. Even by my house, there's like 4 major airports. You only need them at one of them, placards, but still make sure you're using those pickup locations and everything. You don't want to get a ticket. So yeah, guys, if you're driving, if you're just driving there to pick up like a friend or anything, take off your stickers if you're not on the app, because they are super strict with tickets and stuff. That's it for today's video. Make sure you watch every other of my videos. Just kidding, there's like 300 of them, so you probably won't have a life if you do that. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want more updates like this, urgent updates, I like sharing with you guys huge updates, but if you guys don't like them, I will stop. But if you do, give it a thumbs up and I will continue doing that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great and amazing afternoon or day or morning or night, or I don't know, middle of the night, whenever you're watching this. I will talk to you all soon. Later, guys. Peace.